I need him more. I need him more, my God. I need him more. I need him more.
Check the one behind you, the old ones from the old one. Because this new one is all 03. 03. What is 03? Put them there. Let's separate.
I need him more today. I must confess that it's hard for me to stand. I must confess that it's hard for me to pray. You seem so far away, Lord. I need him more.
So hostel 1, the coping is like this.
Manual.
Come on, see my vegetable soup. This fire is too much. Humility is key. So here is our site. So we have these two buildings. Like you know, I've been here now for like 2.5 weeks. Doing our live updates on what we are doing now. So you have seen it all. I just want you to see me in the kitchen. Bye. How are you? It's your woman of God, Evangelist Patience Elubamie, all the way from Zambia. I'm here at our orphanage construction site, and the work is ongoing by the grace of God, and I really want to say God has helped us. So we want to use this opportunity to thank everyone that has been a part of this vision. The Lord bless you richly. I want to thank those of you that are yet to jump on board. We need you to jump on board because we are planning, pushing to ensure that we launch in August. We have actually picked a date for launching. It's August 24th, and we are trusting God for completion. So here we just want to show you around. In this video, I believe you have seen how far we have gone, the toilets, the ceilings. This is the hall. You can see our workers working hard, pushing to ensure that everything is in place and in order. Yeah, so, and I believe you've seen materials. We've bought loads and loads of materials, ceilings, tiles, and what have you, the toilet, what's it called, the shower, toilet system, even the windows. Now we need a lot of things. We need a lot of assistance financially to buy what's it called, the glasses for the windows. We have the flooring to do for the hostels. We have a lot. Painting is there, and even here you can show we have some buildings that we have not roofed. We have about 4 big buildings that we are yet to roof, and we are trusting God for the best. And we have also paid for borehole. Borehole will be coming now, so there will be water here. The plumbing work is being done. Yes, God is helping us. The electrical work is being done, and we are having a bit of challenges with the electricity coming all the way from, I think it's about 2 kilometers to this place. But we are trusting God for everything, and we are just working in faith and by faith. With your help, our help, and combined effort, this vision of reaching out to the children on the street orphans will be a reality starting from August, 1st of August. We hope to go on the streets and bring in those children. That's our water tank. Is a 10, did you see it? It's a 10,000 liter. You can see how tall it is. It's taller than the building. So that's our water tank getting ready. God has really helped us. So we haven't done it yet. We're going to put it up there, you know. So yeah, I just want to say hello from Zambia. Yeah, we've been here for like 2.5 weeks. By next week, we'll be on our way back to Ireland. So we want to say thank you, everybody, for your prayers. Since I came, almost 3 weeks, I've been running here and there, ensuring everything is in order, getting materials. So I've not even had time to come live. And besides, here on the orphanage construction side, the network is very bad. So hopefully when we resume, we are going to work on the network, yeah, so that we can be broadcasting from here. God bless you all. See you all soon.
I need a more.